Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be opening this Lulu mango ice cream. So the weight is 1000 ml. Nothing else. Over here they have mentioned all the nutritional information about the product and where it is made. So it's made in UAE. That's it. Over here, as you can see, it's written open. So you need to pull it out like this and take it away, and then oh god, it's really tight. Actually, because of keeping it in freezer, that it gets a little tighter. So you can see this beautiful pattern made of ice cream in it. It looks beautiful. Let me taste it. Yum. Loved it. Proper mango taste is there. The creamy part, the milk part is very yum. Amazing. I loved it. So go and try it. The mango ice cream. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.